This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by planning a simple 5-gallon batch and gathering equipment. A 5-gallon brew kettle, fermenter, airlock, siphon, hydrometer, and sanitizer. Sanitize all equipment thoroughly. Cleanliness prevents contamination and off flavors. Measure ingredients precisely. 5 pounds of base malt, 1 ounce of hops, and any specialty grains or adjuncts. Heat water to mash temperature and follow a mash schedule. After lautering, boil the wort and add hops according to schedule. Cool the wort to 68 degrees F before yeast addition to protect yeast health and ensure consistent fermentation. Once the wort is cooled to 68 degrees F, pitch 1 teaspoon of ale yeast and seal the fermenter with an airlock. Maintain fermentation temperature at 68 degrees F to promote clean esters rather than fruity off notes. Use a hydrometer to record an original gravity near 1, 0.40 and later to confirm final gravity. This gives alcohol by volume and fermentation progress. Primary fermentation typically takes 10 to 14 days. Do not rush. After activity subsides, cold condition or secondary for a few days, then bottle or keg and carbonate to desired level. Before bottling, sanitize bottles, caps, siphon, and bottling wand to avoid contamination. Prepare priming sugar by dissolving 3/4 cup of table sugar in a pint of boiling water. For 5 gallons, this yields typical carbonation. Rack beer gently into bottling bucket, mix with priming solution, and fill bottles leaving about 1 inch of headspace to reduce oxidation. Cap securely and store bottles at 68 degrees F for 2 weeks to condition. After 2 weeks, chill a sample, test carbonation, then age bottles for improved flavor if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.